Hello, welcome to new series of full stack JavaScript. In this series we are going to discuss all about full stack web development. This is the first introductory video in which we are going to discuss the contents of the full stack JavaScript. First of all, I'll discuss the basics of full stack web development. We will discuss the front end development. Coming up next videos we are going to discuss web cycle, web request cycle, mobile development, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then for backend we will discuss Node.js, NoSQL, MongoDB, Express, cloud computing, HTTP requests and responses and RESTful API. Then we will discuss the agile methodologies such as Scrum, test-driven development, continuous deployment and integration, and then finally pair programming. So stay connected to our channel for better understanding of full stack JavaScript. Thank you.